Understanding, in the final measure, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, in the final measure. This phrase might sound a bit formal or literary, but it's quite useful in various contexts. Stick around as we break down its meaning, usage, and provide examples to help you incorporate it into your own English conversations and writing. In the final measure is a phrase that essentially means in the end, ultimately, or when all things are considered. It's used to sum up a situation or to emphasize the most important aspect of something after all factors have been considered. This phrase helps to highlight the final assessment or conclusion of a matter. Using in the final measure in a sentence can add depth and perspective to your argument or narrative. It's perfect for concluding arguments or discussions, emphasizing the underlying importance of something, drawing final conclusions in essays or analyses. Examples: in the final measure, it's not the success but the journey that matters. The new policy, in the final measure, aims to benefit both the company and its employees. Despite the challenges, in the final measure, our teamwork led us to success. Notice how in each example, the phrase helps to draw attention to the ultimate point or outcome. Understanding synonyms or related phrases can help expand your vocabulary and make your language richer. Similar phrases include, ultimately, at the end of the day, when push comes to shove, all things considered. You can use these interchangeably with, in the final measure, depending on the context and the tone you wish to convey. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and usage of in the final measure. We hope this video has illuminated another interesting aspect of the English language for you. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering new ways to express your thoughts and feelings. In the final measure, it's your curiosity and practice that will enhance your fluency. See you in our next video, and happy learning!